Hi, in front of me is CAVION Base 5.0 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply LED keyboard on this device. First of all, go into Play Store and type LED keyboard. Then you need to download this app from this developer. Now open it. Click Get Started, then tap OK, click on the switcher next to LED keyboard, tap OK again, and select Input Options. Over here you need to click on LED keyboard one more time. And tap on one of the options in this pop-up. Then select keyboard that you like the best by tapping on the chosen one. I will go with that one. So now I have to scroll down a bit and tap on Get Theme. When I click Home button and check my keyboard, I can see that it has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!